Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking in the kickoff time and the official channel carrying El Clásico so you don't chase unreliable feeds. Next, choose the quickest streaming path: broadcaster app, cable stream, or a verified platform. Each has different sign and needs. Connect your viewing device to Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi and confirm 50 plus Mbps for smooth 1080p playback. Once done, plug in power, open the chosen app, and prepare to sign in. Do this now to avoid last-minute delays. You now handle the more detailed setup. Sign in with your subscription or redeem a pay-per-view code, because authentication is the gatekeeper for live streams. If the feed is geo-restricted, enable a VPN and pick a low-latency server in the broadcaster's country. This unblocks access while keeping delay minimal. After access, choose 720p or 1080p depending on your bandwidth, and close background apps to free CPU and network resources. Once settled, you're at the finish line. Start the stream 5-10 minutes before kickoff to catch per game and to allow buffering. Make sure full screen and your preferred commentary language are set, and consider casting to TV if comfortable. Keep a backup-ready radio commentary, an alternate verified stream, or a mobile app so you won't miss critical moments. If playback stutters, clear the app cache, reboot your router, or drop quality to 480p. These quick fixes often restore continuity without losing the match.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.